So let's begin. The things that we require to make a Hackintosh are these: Clover configurator to mount the EFI, property master to mount the plist Hackintosh, and this plist edit pro. You can use either this or property master. So we begin. As you know, first you have to download the package, the actual install file of Catalina. So for that you can use App Store and download the latest package from here. Then you have to mount it on your USB. For that, you have to use these commands. For Catalina, this is the command. You have to make sure that the USB that you are creating, that's name is my volume, or you can replace my volume with the name of the USB. But first you have to format the USB. For that, go to disk utility, then choose show all devices, then choose your USB, then erase, name of whatever you want, format should be macOS extended, and GUID partition. GUID partition is required to create the EFI partition in your USB. That will be what we will use to put the EFI that will be created later. Okay, I have already done it, so I don't need to do it again. After you have created the bootable USB, then you go here, GitHub. From there you have to download the Opencore package. The latest Opencore package is 0.5.8, but I have already installed 0.5.9 on my Catalina 10.15.4. But you can install, this is the latest stable release of 0.5.8. Then you have to go here. You have to remove some of the drivers which are not required. Only you have to keep these ones. But I show you my own file for that. So I will mount my EFI like this. Go to mount EFI. Okay. Then here is my bootloader. So this is my EFI. You will see two folders inside it, that is boot and OC. And OC, there are these drivers. These are the drivers that I have here which help me to install this. So you have to only keep these ones and the kexts. Whatever Apple Intel OC, this is required for the internet that you are using on your motherboard. Lilo USB install, USB inject all, and virtual SMC. If you have a Wi-Fi card, Apple Wi-Fi card on your motherboard, then you can also use AirPort kexts for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. After which you have to put this already created EFI on your EFI folder of the USB. After which you have to edit your EFI config list file according to this config list file that I will upload. The links will be provided at the bottom of the video. The main thing that you have to remember to change is your MLB name, ROM name, system product iMac Pro 11 system serial number and system UUID, which you can generate from Gen Sim BIOS. After it is generated, you have to put them here in these orders. This ROM you will find here. Go to System Preferences, then Network, Ethernet Advanced, Hardware. This is your ROM. You have to remove these columns from these numbers, then you have to put it there. Find a bootable USB, and you can easily install your Hackintosh Catalina 10.15.4. If you have any questions and queries, you can write in the comments, or I will also put my email address so you can send that to me. And for the last time, we are going to have a Geekbench score. We are going to run the Geekbench. So guys, all the things are here. If your processor is coffee lick, then go here. All the things are here. You can read it and change in your config list file, config.plist file according to your motherboard and your processor. These are the SSDs that you are required to put in your EFI partition. Here, I have these SSDs already installed. And make sure that your CFG lock is disabled. You can find all other settings here down below. These are the Intel BIOS settings. CFG lock should be disabled, or your hack will not boot with CFG lock enabled. Also, these are the settings that you have to set in your BIOS before you are trying to install the Catalina Hackintosh from your USB. That's it guys, it's quite easy. I've done it